Okay, we're putting these studs in here. These U studs work a lot better than those new Colony. Then break them off like this one over here. Have to go show the broken one. We've got to watch a 73 panhead video to see how I did that. Now let's do some Colony studs and vintage used studs of unknown origin. Did you figure out what you made yet?
No.
486. We missed it by a little bit. So we're putting them at 450. We're at 460. No, that's 444. That's not the right number. It's getting worse, not better. What happened? They overdid it again.
Come off the nut.
I was getting carried away on camera. What is this? 40, 42. It's getting worse every time I measure it. They're not coming up. Doesn't appear to be. Let's go back to 460 now. Told you. Some people are picky. 48. Live with 48?
Mm-hmm.
Good. About whatever this one is. 46. It's getting worse again.
You sure you're not catching the nut there?
I don't know what I'm catching. 47. Okay. There.
Perfect.
Go measure it though. We're trying to hold 1 thou accuracy here instead. We're pretty critical around here. Nothing worse than having uneven stud heights. We don't care about valve heights, but we care about stud heights.
Exactly.
3 studs. Oh, we got 3 studs left. That's good. So it's called the double nut method. I don't know where they got the name from.
Some creative person.
Yeah. About that tight. The key, I think, is after we tap the holes out bigger, was put the Loctite all the way down the whole thread. When the Loctite comes out. I think we're out again. I think the Loctite sit up inside the tube, it's so cold. Alright, you got a little bit in there. Doesn't take much. That'll lubricate as it goes down. That seems to help quite a bit. Oh, we finally got a tight one. We didn't like that Loctite. This is how the other head was. You didn't mix a Colony stud in on here, did you?
Not knowingly.
I just locked it. Here goes some more. $61. 52. 45. Which one did you like better?
52.
47. 52. How'd you get 52? If you're over here, you get 52. 54. Depends on what angle you hold it at. So if you average at 46 and 54, it comes out exactly at 50. Good.
Exactly.
But But if you use that 47 number, we're screwed.
Changes everything.
Half that off in the accuracy then. So you can bring the head in tomorrow. Stud.
Mm-hmm.
Looks naked without the stud in there.
Yeah.
So if you put your wrenches correctly, you just push down like that, tightens. Like that. If you do it the other way like this, you can loosen. Same thing. Just trying to break your knuckles. You got Loctite today? Let's see. No. If you put that in your pocket and warm it up, will it come out quicker? Yep. That's the trick. Warm it up a little bit. Shake it up, warm it up. Get the molecules moving. This one's easier. I like this one better than the last one. $67. Jeez, could be better than that. I was like way off. 53. 43. How'd that happen? 52. Oh, they moved it one thou? Yeah, they moved it more than that. I guess not. 53. Look at that much. Is that 2 thou or 3 thou? 53. Stuck on 53. Four times in a row, and I moved it twice. Okay, we're gonna move it this time. Okay. We did move it, didn't we?
Believe so.
Okay, we're gonna be 53 again. 52.
There we go.
50. I'm going with that one. Yeah. If the other one could keep it within 10, this one can't move it 1. Alright. Ooh, that nut went on easy. That must be the bad nut. Oh, that one on easy too. Maybe the stud's undersized. Okay, last one for today on this job. Kind of limp on the Loctite. Too deep. 46. Told you. 51. I like that one better. 45. I don't like that one. About that far. It's all about where you hold it. 52. We'll leave it at that. 52 will work. Look, they're all done. Amazing. I'll take it. Think it's gonna work?
We're trying to put it in.
The hell, we can break one on the other head too.
Yeah, exactly.
Feel equal. Oop, got locked in there now. Half a gallon. Remember this problem?
Mm-hmm.
It won't even start half a thread.
Use that same tap.
Yeah. Yep. much tighter that is already. Think it'll go all the way down?
Nope.
It's just a colony studs. They're big. Alright. Did such a good job over here.
Yeah.
Fail over here. Oh well. What was that?
Was what?
Thought I heard something. Alright. That's it for now on this one.